What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Steve from Printer Gang Investments, back with another video. Today we doing a pre-market video because I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I fell asleep last night, man. Went to a party on Sunday. We didn't get in till like 6 a.m. I was trying to recover. I had set the alarm, but things went left. But regardless, we made $1,100 yesterday. Market rolled yesterday. In pre-market, we up like 80, 70 bucks, 100 bucks. It's ranging. As y'all can see, we at 17,000. So I'm gonna show y'all all my positions for yesterday, and I'm gonna show y'all like what my thoughts are on the day, what's going on in the pre-market. And anyone in the comments, get down below and let me know, do y'all like these YOLO updates maybe pre-market instead of after hours? You know, just let me know. But anyway, with the Palantir position, all our calls are up, and I'm gonna show you the move we made the other day. You remember on Friday we bought that call for 38 bucks, man. So we wake up on Monday, market was up like 1.4, 1.5%, and that was a 0-day option, an FD as they call them. So that thing went from $38 to $228. I should have held it because it went from $38 to $320 something. I could have made a little more, but we sold it, bought a share of Palantir. Y'all know how I rock. And then we bought a June Palantir call with the money, you know, our favorite stock. So that's what we did as far as trades yesterday. So that Palantir call we bought is this one right here. It's June 20th joint that I bought for 71 bucks. We up 28% on that. So I'm liking that. We had a $38 risk that's then turned into $200 something. Got a free share. We got a call that expires in June off of it, and we up on that call. So that $38 went to work pretty well. The other calls I've been having starting to bounce back. You know what I'm saying? I got this March 2026 that I rolled like during the lows, like not the lows, but as it was crashing. We up 24% on that. Another call I bought when we was a little lower, we up 56% on that. You see my ones that didn't make it, they still ain't made it. It's over with for those, but we up to 96.8 shares of Palantir, and I like that because it's like, I think before the dip we was at like 85, 86 shares, so we accumulated like at least 10 shares on this dip. I'm not mad at that. Now, the interesting thing is the SoundHound call. You know, we made 50% off that SoundHound call. We bought another one to test the waters. I wanted to see what was going to happen because my theory was if we really bouncing back, then small caps could potentially ride harder than like the larger stocks, like the Palantirs, the Nvidias, things like that. But that's not panning out. We down 67%. Thank God we only got $28 in there. But I'm going to see what happens with that. Now, Tesla is showing ass. I don't know if Tesla's gonna, you know, keep riding because, you know, the quarter's not looking good. Like I said, I'm invested in Tesla for the future. I'm one of those type investors with Tesla, but we've been riding. They rolled yesterday, they rolled today. We only down 12%, and we're gonna see what happens with Elon, Tesla, all that. SPY, haven't added the SPY. They recovering too. Vistra, Walmart, Nvidia's back at 120. Wish I could have bought more Nvidia when it was a little lower, but we bought some. You know, we got 672 in Nvidia. iBit, bought a little bit of iBit. MicroStrategy, you know, they starting to recover a little bit. Meta, Robinhood's up. Well, my Robinhood position's up 7.5%. We bought a little bit of that on the dip. Him's call never made it. I don't even know why it's still here. Well, it don't expire yet. Google and Amazon we still down on, and the Advanced Auto Parts did not turn around for me, but it's all good. So what is my sentiment right now? Trump has been talking about relaxing the tariffs, so that's what's got the market riding the same way the talk of the tariffs had the market down. But if Trump brings it back, this could all like reverse at any second. So I'm not super heavy on calls, but you know, we gonna start, you know, trying to add some more swing trades, you know, at bounce points, down days, things like that. You know what I'm saying? So that's where we at with that. Let's look at some stocks real quick. So, you know, yesterday, like I say, QQQ was up 2%, SPY was up 1.7%, Palantir was up 6.3%, Nvidia was up 3%, and a lot of these stocks are green pre-market. You see Palantir is up 0.89%, QQQ is up 0.19%, AMD did 7% yesterday. Let's see, Supermicro and Broadcom was down yesterday. Apple was up, Archer was up, let's see. Alibaba was down a little bit. Bitcoin's at 87 right now. Salesforce was up 1.9. CrowdStrike was up. Carvana did 11%. So, you know, we got a lot of green on the board right now. Google was up 2%. Rocket Lab was up 6.7. Hims was up 7.6. And going up again after hours. So, you know, we gonna see. It's like Dan Ives said, the market might finally be starting to shrug off some of this tariff talk. We shall see. We still got some buying power in case we gotta get back on the put side, but you know, it is what it is. So let's look at some of these charts, you know, and then, you know, the market's going to be starting soon. So I'm actually probably about to be getting active in about 30, 40, 50 minutes. You know what I'm saying? So let's pull up this Palantir chart. Okay, so that's what we needed to see, man. That's one of the things we needed to see. Remember, I told you I wanted us to close above that area. We were testing that fair value gap I was talking about. We create a fair value gap to the upside. I like it. Right now, we at like 97.50. To break this fair value gap, we need to hit that 100. Really, we need to hit that 101, 102 and close above that for the next wave of bullishness, man. So as of right now, I want to see this thing continue. If it falls, this 91 area might be a good buy. Yeah, where this fair value gap was, I might try that. If we fall there, we have our down day, you know what I'm saying? But we bounced pretty good from this equilibrium level. And you know, Palantir, the company's been executing. We begin deal after deal. The Wendy's partnership came out, the Archer partnership, the Andorra partnership, you name it. You know, I heard one of my favorite haters talking about Lockheed Martin and Raytheon, and I like Lockheed Martin and Raytheon, but you know anything about Palantir? Palantir been won the contract over them boys. But that's where we at with that. I like what's going on with Palantir. You know, valuation always going to be a concern because it's a legendary company and people can't compete with them, but they're getting so many deals on the commercial side. I was just listening to what Wendy's was saying about how AIP helped them with that SpongeBob promotion. Then we just had AIPCon, and they are showing those ontologized agents. Y'all know I've been doing my agent talk. I actually been trying to build a lot of agents on the weekend. That's why y'all haven't been seeing weekend videos. I've been doing a lot of learning, and y'all gonna see what I've been learning soon. But they on the agent game. They're in the AI game. They don't have competition like that. And if you know anything about AI, you'll start to see why they're so valuable. As a person who's using AI in the real world, I see the hallucinations. I see the glitches. They saying you're not glitching when you're using Palantir, so I get it. Let's go to NVIDIA. NVIDIA's doing their thing. Okay, yes, sir. That's what we need to see. We breaking the 200 EMA. I need us to close above that. But we also are at equilibrium, so I need us to get above equilibrium too. I want to see NVIDIA at like 124 or something like that. I need them to close above there. They still got fair value guys to fight, but like I said, if the macro could hold us down, if the macro can be good, we might actually be able to do something. So I'm not mad at that. And last but not least, let's look at this Tesla, man. They trying. They definitely not out the water yet. They still under the 200. So as they say, nothing good happens under 200, but some dip behind. But we did break some EMAs. We caused a fair value gap. We bounced off this equal low area right here. So that's good. That's good. Like I say, we need to break this. What level is that? We need to break this EMA. We need to get to 294. We need to get 300, 305, something like that. We close above there. Things will get a little better, provided Trump doesn't mess up the macro. You know what I'm saying? Tesla specifically has earnings, and I don't know what them earnings going to be. Without robots and self-driving cars, nah. I don't know. Like, you know what I'm saying? Don't get it twisted. Elon like to miss earnings and say something crazy on the car that had a stock movement anyway. But believe it or not, I don't like to play that type of game. When I'm got your calls, I need Alex Karp, them boys. I need someone who really gonna hold it down. I need guidance to go crazy, all that. That's why I just be buying the Tesla shares for now until I start seeing some deliveries of some robots or something like that. But that's where we at with it. You know, market finna open soon. I hope you didn't get shook out during this dip. And I'm not saying the dip is over with yet, because we not back at all-time highs yet. But it's your boy Steve from Printer Gang Investments. I'm going to see y'all in the next video.